right, let's get it. So, yeah, here we are again. This is that Stone Mountain property I bought 3 weeks ago. That's right, this renovation took only 3 weeks. And as you can see as we walk it in, it's the same exact renovations. Gray walls, gray vinyl on the floor, white trim. Same thing everywhere we go. But this house is a little different. We went ahead and put the island right here. We got rid of the wall that was on the floor, all that good stuff. We put a fan right here. This would have some extra lighting. We created that whole open concept thing in this kitchen.
We missed the whole point. So it's like,
right? So you really learn all about backlights too. Right? Look how special that looks. People are gonna walk in this house and go crazy. But what it does specifically is it matches our lighting, right? Real simple stuff that we make buyers go crazy over. I'm gonna show you guys
I get that.
real simple renovations, guys. Right? It goes to hallway bathroom. You got your two spare bedrooms up in here. Right? Nothing huge. It's a simple bedroom, right? And then we have this decent sized master bedroom with a walk-in closet and another bathroom, right? And what we did with these bathrooms, I do my own little special touch. I put that cocaine white on these bathtubs. Look at that, that's original. Look at that cocaine white, that's fresh. This is like a brand new bathtub, boy. Let's get it. I have to type all this stuff in so we get a new dumpster. They got it all electronic. So I'm just basically filling it out because a portable dumpster in Atlanta, Georgia, they lie to you and tell you that they're gonna come give you a dumpster or pick up the dumpster, but they leave it sitting here and charge you more. So never use a portable dumpster in Atlanta, Georgia. They garbage. What's up, man? Hey, I have received word. Good deal, man. Listen, I have received word that a dumpster I requested probably wouldn't be delivered until Thursday. I just wanted to confirm that.
Okay, yeah, give me just a second. Let me look it up here real quick. Yeah, I'm just trying to look it up here real quick. Just bear with me if you can.
For sure.
Now I see it here. All right, that's why it's under your wife's name. That makes all the sense in the world. We do everything with my phone number.
I don't give a fuck, nigga.
Is it gonna be here?
If y'all don't tell me the answer to my question.
It's weird because it likes the version of that, and it's kind of frustrating. So.
Oh man, I definitely understand. All right, so we'll wait for them to give us an answer. We'll close up here, then we'll run over to the other property and go knock out our shopping real quick. Then we'll come back over here later after we finish up with the other house and clean up whatever we need to clean up. But I think we're good.
It's done. We don't have anything.
We're good.
Yeah.
Cool. Yes, I'm the agent. How are you? How are you? What, did you want some information regarding the property? Yep, we're putting on market tonight. We're going to be asking $215. What? $215. That house right there is under contract for $227. Doesn't look like anything like this property. I guarantee these upgrades in this house is something that you won't have anywhere in this neighborhood.
Light this bitch up.
Doing the what? Come on in. Put it in the driveway. Real quick look, we bought it about 3 weeks ago.
This is nice. Y'all did this good.
Yes, ma'am. Simple upgrades, but necessary ones, such as the kitchen, the island.
Master is huge, much larger than this one, though. Yeah. But you've done what is necessary to do this, to flip this. Yeah. And you said how much? 220?
215. We're gonna put, but the one across the street, it's nowhere near us ready like this. It's under contract for 227.
Yeah.
So seller's market, that's all it is.
Oh, it is. Yeah.
But see, our strategy, we buy low enough to be able to avoid those issues. I could buy a house for anywhere between 100 and 120 and still be able to make a good bit of money off my foot.
Harris Estes? How you pronounce that?
Oh, that's a company name. It's called Harris Estes.
So how long you been investing?
You wouldn't believe me when I said it, but right under a year. This is we're working on our 8th door now. So I have a goal to hit 10 properties within a year time frame. So I don't condone doing this. Don't do this at home, man. Look, I'm humble, but my truck door is broken, so I've been having to climb out the window because that's just me. I ain't gonna spend another few grand on buying a new truck because the door don't work. Look at that, easy. Grab my phone, let's get it. All right, so really exciting day. As you can see, we started a demo on our newest acquisition. This is I forgot how many bedrooms and bathrooms are in, but we're about to find out. Let's take a look inside and see what we've done so far. What you think, bro? They already look crazy.
Looks better.
They already look crazy, man. It is a lot of rerouting we're gonna have to do with the electrical. You see all this right here? We already got perfect. We already got light fixture there. So what we're gonna do is probably we're gonna have Ron put a fixture here as well.
Yeah, 'cause it's dark.
Right, I'm gonna put a fan right here. Right? We're gonna take all this man, it looks so open in here. I'm so excited. It looks good. Hell yeah. Let's take a look and see what else is on. I felt excited, what?
Yeah.
Damn. Woo. Woo.
Yeah, it's so bad.
See that? So the subfloor is extremely damaged. So we're gonna have to take out all that shit in there. Alright? Same goes for over here as well. You see how wet this floor is? The subfloor. So we're gonna have to, we probably have to replace all this too. This was where it's wet and damaged. Shit, same thing for this club. Every floor in the house, goddamn, in the bathroom, we're gonna have to replace because it looks like that. It's all rusted and moldy. So we need to do replace. Hey, y'all gonna love these bathrooms though? Cause you remember how we did it on Congress? With the tile on the floor and then on the bathtub, we're gonna do the same thing with this house. Let's take a peek outside and see what's going on. Missing the dick. Oh shit. Hold up.
Don't tell us to
Hold on, bro. Hold up. Slow down, man. Slow down, man.
I like to work.
Hold on. What's going on here?
Hey.
Alright, go ahead. We got you, bro.
Put me in the game, coach.
Hey, Dante.
That got a lot of stuff on it. I'm gonna leave that one alone.
I'm dead, man.
Yo, I like to work, man. Let's get it.
Hey,
Come on, man.
that stuff was a competition.
Yeah.
All right
Yeah.
then.
Hey, come on, man. We not just here to look cute. I thought I would knock the cameras out.
No, I don't work, bro.
I'm gonna get dirty.
So I'm down here.
He Beyonce. He Beyonce. Put me in the field. I'm a field nigga too.
Yeah. This is the issue. Our dumpster's not here, so we're having to use the driveway to put all this dump out here, man. Oh yes, no. So ain't nobody. There's no HOA. Ain't no HOA. So this is easy. You know, we don't usually do this, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do to keep the project moving.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, we're gonna knock that wall down and then create more room into the driveway. All right?
Yeah.
Let me go see what they did in here. So yeah, you see, nothing right here. So it would make sense to go ahead and just knock this down, right?
Yeah.
Cause ain't nothing here. I think they using it as storage. It's wasted, you know. We just gotta fix the plumbing. So as you can see, there's a leak right there. There's a leak right there at the sink. There's a leak right here in the laundry area. There's also a major mold right here as well. So we're having to fix the plumbing first, and then we're gonna frame it, put a wall up, but we're gonna fix that mold right there before we do anything. So that's what you do prior to starting the renovations. That way you can alleviate all issues prior to actually starting the renovation.
Yeah, it took me a while.
Let's take it through demo day one.
First time I was crying.
We're gonna wait for that dumpster to get here.
Just to pick it out.
We'll see you guys in another, what, 3 weeks? 3 weeks, it takes us literally 3 weeks to go through these renovations, right? Today is what, the 1st? Watch how this house looks in a matter of 3 weeks. By what? June 20th, right?
No.
Put this baby on market, go on to the next one, just like that.